A 21-ton section of a rocket launched by China's space agency finally returned to Earth's atmosphere Saturday night, falling above the Indian Ocean near the Maldives, after the booster spent days careering toward the planet in a fast, out-of-control orbit. An out-of-control, Chinese rocket has landed in the Indian Ocean, China says. The rocket, called Long March 5B, was launched from Wenchang Space Launch Center on the 29th of April to carry Tianhe, the first module of China's future space station, into orbit. It re-entered the atmosphere at 3:24 a.m. UK time, with the bulk of its components destroyed at that point, according to Chinese state media. The point of impact was somewhere southwest of India and Sri Lanka, they added. While the timing of the landing had been pinpointed quite closely, the possible landing site had been unclear until the last minutes of the rocket's descent. At one stage it was thought the debris trail could fall as far north as New York, Madrid, or Beijing, and as far south as Chile and New Zealand. There was some criticism of China's lack of control over the descent, with U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin saying, "There should be a requirement to operate in a safe and thoughtful mode and make sure that we take those kinds of things into consideration as we plan and conduct operations."